Hey guys, it is Craft Adventure here, and today we are playing some new Minecraft, and today we are gonna meet. Wait, why can't I just? Let me just end my Minecraft stuff in here and just open it up again since I cannot open it. Okay, he's in Peyton, and yeah, his Duggar, he's in Peyton, so we're just gonna see him for a while, even though we're not connected to Skype or something, but he is right. Okay, I have to do this. Login. Okay. As you can see, Duggar's here. Hey, Duggar. How's it going? Yep. I'm back, and yeah. Hey, Duggar. How's it going? It's going sunset. Wait. I'm recording for YouTube. Oh, no. No. Don't tell me. Okay. Okay. That was close. So, yeah. And, yeah. So, yeah, Duggar's here. That's his name. Yeah, because I saw his last video about the multiplayer for MCPE 0.7.4, and yeah, he kind of built this stuff, and yeah, make sure to subscribe to him. I'll put the link to his to his channel below. Okay, yeah, let's put the link to his channel below. He kind of lost his original channel, but he named it the same as before, so yeah, hope you subscribe to him, and I am maybe gonna see you guys next time, so yeah, bye. Oh.